So today is going to be a very practical tutorial. I want to show you the easiest way to evaluate the performance of your rifle, regardless if you're hunting or shooting a match. Some of you may remember that I'm going to be shooting my first long-range match this June, which is the Nightforce ELR Steel Challenge. And I want to walk all of you through the process that I use to evaluate my rifle's performance. First, let's review the Nightforce ELR Steel Challenge rules. Most stages will have 4 targets with a maximum of 2 engagements per target. So that's 4 shots minimum and 8 shots on the high end. Our time limit for each stage is 2 minutes and 30 seconds. The average target distance is 1,200 yards and the average target size is 1.5 MOA. So for this test, I'll be running my 7mm Remington Magnum and I'm going to simulate a stage. I'm going to shoot a 6-shot group, which will be right in the middle of our 4 to 8 shot range per stage. I'm going to do this within 2 minutes and 30 seconds, just like in the match. And I'm going to repeat this 3 times to collect solid data. Once I have all 3 groups, I'll break down the data by calculating the standard deviation of velocity across all 18 shots and put that number into our simulation software. And then we're going to choose the worst group of the 3 groups as my benchmark. This method helps me see exactly how my rifle is going to perform in real-life match conditions. So that's the process. Let's take a look at the footage. Three. 4. So for group number 1, we had a group size of 0.221, an extreme spread of 32, standard deviation of 10.7, and an average velocity of 2877. Group number 2, we had a group size of 0.582, an extreme spread of 16, a standard deviation of 6.3, and an average velocity of 2878.
All right, here we go.
And then group number 3, we had a .591 inch group with an extreme spread of 38, standard deviation of 13, and an average speed of 2880. So now we'll start putting this data in weapon employment zone inside AB Quantum. First, we'll take our average velocity and enter that into our 7 mag load profile. Then we'll head over to the Shoot tab. We'll head over to WEZ, or Weapon Employment Zone. First, we'll enter our average distance of 1,200 yards. Then our target size, 1.5 MOA, turns out to be 18.8 inches wide and tall. We'll enter a 1.5% BC standard deviation. And then we're going to enter in our standard deviation of 9.9 feet per second. And then we're going to enter our worst group, which was 0.591 MOA. With all that entered, that's going to give us a 95 on our hit percentage. And we can do this simulation with any gun, any cartridge, any bullet, any distance. You can really tune it to your application. So get out there and try it for yourself. Let me know how it goes. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.